Hello learners, welcome back to the channel Economics at Ease. I'm Nida, your educator, and in this video we are going to discuss the answer key of the last 5-year board questions from this chapter, that is money and banking. These questions are very important from an exam point of view because they are frequently repeated in the board exams. Okay, so I will explain how to write each answer properly. I'll give you the answer key also. You can take the screenshot and then you can easily just look at that at how the answers can be done, okay, and what keywords you must include. So I will be providing to you the structure of your answer to score full marks. Now, please remember while writing your exam answers, that is, start with a clear definition, use proper headings, write answers and points, and always underline important keywords. Okay. Now, I'm going to share you first the questions that have been asked, okay, and then the answer key. So these are questions. You can take the screenshot. Okay. Credit creation by commercial banks is determined by then all of the above or these. Okay. The answers are also being provided to you. Okay. Then state the components of money income, M1, that is measure of money supply. Then what is monetary policy and how you're going to answer all these questions at the back of this, that is the after the questions have been given to you, then the answer key is also being provided in the same video. Okay. So you can take the screenshot. Fine. So there are almost 21 questions, I suppose, here from the chapter Bank, Money and Banking. Okay, yes, 21 questions. Okay, now here comes the most interesting part, that you're getting the answer key. Answers of all the questions one by one. Okay, so the first question was cash reserve ratio. Okay, that is correct alternatives. That is all the above. All the above was the answer. Okay. Then why the reason? The reason also being given. Okay. Then two components of measure M1 is currency with public and demand deposit with commercial banks, right? Then the third question was, that is monetary policy, and state three instruments of monetary policy. So first you are going to just give the meaning of the monetary policy, then three instruments of monetary policy: bank rate, repo rate, and cash reserve ratio, and then you're going to explain that. Okay. Or you it's if it's mentioned, then just do the means two lines में आप इसको explain कर सकते हो, right? Then the next question is 4A. That is state any two components हो गया, then elaborate any two instruments of credit control as exercised by the Reserve Bank of India. Okay. This one, the cash reserve ratio, how it is effective. If RBI decreases CRR, the banks have less money to lend and credit in the economy decreases. Okay. Then vice versa, then bank rate. If RBI raises the bank rate, borrowing from RBI becomes costlier. Okay. And commercial banks and lend less and credit creation decreases. Okay. So like this, you can answer. Okay. So simple to answer. इसलिए मैंने आपको आंसर की भी प्रोवाइड कर ली. Now in this question number 4, credit multiplier with example. Okay. So now you're going to write the question like this. Okay. And legal reserve ratio, for example, credit multiplier higher will be the total credit and vice versa. For example, आपका LRR is 0.2, that is 20%. Initial deposit is 1000. So credit multiplier क्या formula क्या था? 1 upon LRR, that is equals to, you will get 5. So total credit creation कितना था? Initial deposit is 1000 and you are going to multiply with the credit multiplier, you will get 5000. Whereas suppose now LRR आपका क्या हो गया है? 0.5 and initial deposit 1000 था. तो first of all आप क्या करेंगे? Credit multiplier is equals to, formula पूरा लिखेंगे 1 upon LRR, that is 1 upon 0.5 in this question. So you will get 2, that is the multiplier is 2. So 2 into initial deposit, you will get 2000. Okay. Then correct answer for this question number 5. To reduce credit availability in the economy, the central bank may sell securities in the open market, and the reason is also being given. Okay. Then why other options does not don't reduce credit? The reasons are also being given. Then sixth question number, following is true or false. So the with reasons is also being given. Okay. So you can go through it one by one. Okay. Functions of central bank as a banker or agent advisor to the government. Then each function has been given in detail. Okay. Note issue function of the central bank, it has also been provided. Central bank as banker's bank. So all the answers have been given or provided to you in detail. Okay, you can take the screenshot one by one. Then other question is money credit banks. That is 13 question, 1000 primary deposits 250. How are you going to calculate the deposit or credit multiplier? Deposit multiplier is equals to maximum credit upon primary deposit, and then you will get 4. Okay, then find the reserve ratio, that is 1 upon deposit multiplier, reserve ratio formula, and then you're going to get 25%. That is option A is 4 and 25%. Okay, now the question number 14. Okay, so these are all theory questions basically. Okay, दो numericals थे वो मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं, and rest are the theory questions. Okay, and this one is last question. Okay, question number 20, right? Question number 20 is of this one. Write the formula. Deposit multiplier 1 upon multiplier is equals to 1 upon RR, that is reserve ratio, and then you're going to get this answer. Okay, and if you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you for watching.